Welcome to day 5 of our Love and Mindfulness 21-day journey for couples. Today we focus on healing breath, gently releasing the subtle pains and tensions that may linger from past moments and nurturing a sense of care and forgiveness in your shared space. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if that feels safe, and allow yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Remember, healing does not require perfection or effort. It simply requires attention, breath, and compassion. Begin by noticing your natural breathing. Inhale gently, sensing the expansion of your chest and belly. Exhale slowly, allowing any tension in your body to soften and release. With each breath, feel yourself rooted in this moment. Imagine a gentle, soothing light flowing through your body, carrying warmth and calm. This light does not judge, it does not demand. It simply supports you in being here. Bring your attention to any lingering discomforts or small pains, moments when words were harsh, expectations unmet, or misunderstandings arose. Notice these sensations in your body without judgment. Scientific research in mindfulness shows that observing painful or stressful memories with compassionate awareness reduces their emotional intensity over time. Allow yourself to acknowledge these moments simply as experiences, not as defining who you are or your relationship. Now take a slow, deep breath in, imagining that you are drawing in calm and warmth. As you exhale, let go of tension, guilt, or lingering frustration. With your partner beside you, inhale together, exhale together, creating a shared rhythm of release. This breath is a bridge connecting presence, attention, and healing between you. picture a gentle stream of light flowing from your heart, moving through your body and extending towards your partner. Allow this light to carry any small pains, misunderstandings, or past hurts, gently dissolving them. As your partner receives this energy, imagine their heart softening in response. Notice the relief and warmth that arise when pain is simply acknowledged and shared with care. Turn inward briefly, acknowledging your own experience. Notice any resistance, impatience, or self-criticism, and gently return your focus to your breath. Holding space for yourself allows you to hold space for your partner. Research in neuroplasticity suggests that this practice strengthens neural pathways associated with empathy, emotional regulation, and trust, deepening your connection naturally. Return to a shared breath. Inhale together, exhale together. Feel the subtle exchange of care, warmth, and presence flowing between you. Recognize that even small acts of mindful attention and gentle breath can dissolve tension and foster love. Bring your awareness back to your own body. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the sensations of the present moment. Open your eyes when you are ready, carrying this sense of calm and healing into your day. May your hearts continue to soften and connect today. See you tomorrow for the next meditation. Thank you for your practice. If this session brought you calm, feel free to come back anytime.